Sec stubby antenna install. First, unload all the crap out of your trunk. Second, unscrew this tray. We got to remove all these plastics. Six little caps. 2 here. Screws. And there's 2 screws. 1 there. 1 there. One screw there. We have another one that sits up here. He might have a cap. He doesn't because he lost it. 1 there. And then 1 there. And there's actually 2 more if you're going to take this all the way out, but I think we're going to be able to pull this out of the way. Going a little bit further, taking off the cover for the spare tire. And we took off this cover for your strut. All just because we don't remove this panel up here, which is where the speaker sits, is the pain, so